Did you know that with Raymote you can troubleshoot and manage multiple AVIA pool heater job sites? As a pool professional, we understand the need to plan your day and perform regular maintenance visits to your customers. However, we also understand that urgent calls and extensive troubleshooting can impact your normal service day. Ultimately, this can contribute to replacing unnecessary parts, wasted time and money, all over an issue that could have been resolved with a simple instruction over the phone. That's why we have created a solution for you. Raypak's Raymote is a must-have tool for your tool belt. Our AVIA pool heaters have built-in Wi-Fi capabilities, allowing you to monitor customer units remotely once connected. Through our Raymote web dashboard, you can access historical trends, health parameters, and key performance indicators that will simplify your service experience, help resolve customer problems, and ultimately save you tons of time. Additionally, with Raymote dashboard, managing multiple sites and heaters has never been easier. With Raymote Professional Dashboard, you have access to up to 3 months of historical data, live updated values, enhanced widgets, all at zero additional cost to you or your customers. Your pool life shouldn't be complicated, and here at Raypak, we are building solutions to bring you peace of mind in every swim moment. Pick smart, pick AVIA, the only connected pool heater in the market.